Welcome to the vlog from our Norway road trip. We drove from Denmark to Norway in our beloved car and home Sally. Here's a day-to-day experience from the trip with loads of great nature, good food and various encounters. Sit back, relax and enjoy.
We made it to Norway. Absolutely amazing. Over there on the other side is Sweden. I'm so happy we're finally away. I'm joking, it's absolutely amazing here. Can't wait to show you guys more of these beautiful Nordic countries. Look at that. Absolutely stunning view. We're having a little barbecue here. We're gonna make some potatoes and some vegetables and some sausages. We just went to the Norwegian supermarket, so God bless my wallet. So we just arrived at a fortress in Halden, and it's up there.
Hello, my name is Ruben. We are currently in Hamar at the moment. We are just going to check out how it is to live in the farmland. Behind me is a big tractor and there is a harvester. And just enjoy the stream and figure out if you like it or not. This is not like Oslo, but it's a really nice place. Pog, my name is Ruben. Tab.
Ruben is going to show us the most important part of the city. It's the barber shop, where he comes very often, as you can see on his beard.
If you look in here, there's like so much cool stuff and everything. You will fucking love this place, and you can even buy alcohol here.
Now we're just roaming around, and we're gonna get a beard cut soon.
Yeah, really soon.
It's gonna be really nice. We're at Cutthroat Barber Shop here with our friend Greve, and we're gonna get a nice little shave for the beard here. So he invited us in. So top notch. We'll see how it turns out. So we just got the new trim here at the barber shop, and it looks absolutely amazing. So here on my off day, I have decided to cook some a Danish dish for the lovely Norwegians that has been housing me for 3 days, and can't wait to show you guys the result. We just left Ruben and Charlie. It's been three days in their home, and we just arrived at the massive silver chrome moose. Just arrived in another city called Røros, something like that. A Norwegian city, which is well known for being super cute and very nice. It's an old city, and we just parked and are ready to go here and explore a little bit. So I hope you guys are up for a little adventure. Anyway, let's see what Røros has to offer. So today is the day when Ida's actually arriving here in Norway. We're in Hill Airport right now, and I can't wait to see her. She should be arriving in 10 minutes time or something. So I'm excited, really excited to see her. So this is the moment where our journeys will collab and the mission Norway will begin in the right way. I can't wait.
First night in Norway, we slept up there in a tiny igloo. It's so cozy. I loved it. Yay! Good morning.
Good morning. We got snow.
Snowing. Yay!
Our first day with snow here in Norway. It's quite cold, but it's alright.
Look at the view. Show them the view.
Snow, baby, snow! Look at that! Crazy.
I can't even see them here.
Wow!
Did Chet see them?
I think they saw them, yeah. A whole herd.
So we booked the house for the night. Look how cozy it is. So cute.
Now we're gonna go further up north. We're gonna find some snow shovels and some other small items.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
So we're out. It's dark, snowing, trying to get that way, digging all the snow up here, all the snow. SoWeQ is putting some chains on the car, snow chains, so we can go down. So crossing our fingers to us not being stuck in the snow.
Babe, what are you doing?
Digging?
Why are you digging?
Because you got the car stuck. How are you feeling?
I'm getting slightly annoyed
Why?
because I feel stupid.
Really?
Yeah.
Why? Why do you feel stupid?
Because I took a chance I shouldn't have taken.
Been stuck here for what, 30 minutes kind of?
I don't think I can do it.
Because he wants to go in there. Oh my god. Update. We're staying here for the night. We can't get out. We got stuck again. The car almost broke. what to do.
Not much to do.
Just make a fire. Everything's gonna be great.
I'm gonna try to see if we can get out. Actually, the original plan was we wanted to reverse, but I think we're gonna try to see if we can turn the car around and go uphill. And as you can see, sadly lost a part, and yeah, the mud guard underneath the wheel is gone. We got this.
We made it. The car's out up there. We're not stuck anymore. I'm so happy.
We're in Tromsø right now. We arrived yesterday and we had a good night in the Airbnb, and now we're gonna go in and explore a little bit of the city. Sadly, we won't be able to see the cable cars because of the weather, but it is what it is. Let's go have some fun in the city.
Thank you for watching our Norway vlog. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more content. Stay tuned for the next video.